Straight, L-shaped, U-turn, winder, spiral, every one of these was drawn in seconds. This is the whole tool, one panel. You give it the floor-to-floor height and the width you want, and it works out how many risers you need and how deep each tread has to be. Then you choose how it is built. Closed stringers, the timber, wood balusters, or a wall rail, and which accessibility class the stair has to meet. Here are two slabs with a wall between them. Instead of measuring anything, I mark the space I want the stair to sit in, and Nova Stairs takes the height from the slab above. One click and there it is. Treads, risers, stringers on both sides and a handrail. Not a block with lines on it, but the parts a joiner would actually cut. Look closely at the stringer. It is cut level where it meets the floor, the way you would cut it on site, and the nosings sit inside the board. The balusters are spread so no gap goes over 100 millimeters. The same tool draws the floors. Trace the slab, trace the opening you want in it, and you have a real deck to work against. That matters because the next thing the stair does is cut its own hole through it. You are not fighting a dialogue here. You are drawing what you would draw on paper. And there is the opening. Cut through the slab, edges trimmed, ready for the lining. Nova Stairs does that through every floor the stair passes, not just the first one. Switch the type to a U-turn and draw again. Same height, same rules, different shape, and the landing comes with it. Put walls around it and you can walk into the thing. This is where you find out whether the stair really works in the room. The headroom over the bottom flight, how the handrail meets the landing, how much floor it eats. And because it is ordinary SketchUp geometry, everything stays editable. Groups, layers, materials, nothing is locked behind the plugin. Now the L shape. Same three moves. Draw the slab, mark the opening, drop the stair in. The winder version turns the corner on tapered treads instead of a landing, and both of them get the same stringer and the same railing rules. The status row keeps checking while you work. 2 risers plus a going, headroom, clear width. Red means you are outside the pre-accepted range in the building code. Straight, L, U, winder, spiral. Every one of these came out of the same panel, and everyone carries its own step count, its own stringer, and its own railing. Building them by hand is an afternoon each. This took one. There is a second way in. If you already have the shaft, a box, or just a face, mark it, and Nova Stairs builds a stair that fits inside it and still passes the check. It reports back what it made. 16 risers, 177 up, 280 deep. And if the rise is too big for one flight, it says so before it builds anything. This one needs a landing. Nova Stairs for SketchUp. Free 7-day trial at novaworkbench.no.